Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is mainly created to clear your doubt that what type of laptop you should buy. So watch this video till the end and spend your money on the perfect laptop using this laptop buying guide. So let's get started. First of all, try to figure out that why you are buying laptop, like to fulfill the everyday task, gaming purpose, work and travel, or heavy use. Talking about buying laptop for everyday tasks, these laptops are ideal for daily tasks such as surfing, checking emails, browsing social media, and streaming content. You should consider given features like processor, Core i3 and i5 or Ryzen 3 and 5, RAM 4GB or 8GB, storage up to 1TB SSD, screen size 15.6 inches, and operating system Windows Home. If you are fond of gaming, then you should consider the processor of laptop up to i7 core or Ryzen 7, RAM up to 16GB, storage SSD plus SSD up to 1.5TB, screen size 15.6 inches or above, graphics processor up to 8GB, resolution up to 4K. If you are buying laptop for work and travel, then the laptop should be thin and light so they are easy to carry when you are traveling. They provide the essential processing power you need to do your daily tasks while on the move. You should consider the following features including processor up to i5 core or Ryzen 5, RAM 8GB, screen size 14 inches, storage SSD plus SSD. If you are buying laptop to run multiple applications like AutoCAD, Photoshop, or work on large files which are demanding of processing power or any other heavy use, then you should consider processor of the laptop up to i7 core and Ryzen 7, RAM up to 16GB, screen size up to 14 inches, storage SSD plus SSD. Still confused? Consider these aspects before buying. Choose the right size of your laptop. Before you look at specs or pricing, you need to figure out just how portable you need your laptop to be. Laptops are usually categorized by their display sizes. First, 11 to 12 inches, the thinnest and lightest system around have 11 to 12 inch screen and typically weigh 2.5 to 3.5 pounds. Second, 13 to 14 inches provide the best balance of portability and usability, particularly if you get a laptop that weighs under 4 pounds. Third, 15 to 16 inches, the most popular size. 15-inch laptop usually weigh 4 to 5.5 pounds. Fourth, 17 to 18 inches, if your laptop stays on your desk all day, every day. A 17 or 18-inch system could provide you with the kind of processing power you need to play high-end games or do workstation-level productivity. Decide if you want a 2-in-1 laptop. Many laptops fall into this category, hybrid devices that can switch between traditional clamshell mode, tablet mode, or other position in between such as stand or stand modes. If you do not need a tablet mode feature, then don't consider this feature while buying. The performance capability of your laptop depends on 4 things: processor, RAM, storage, and graphics. Speaking about processor, traditionally manufactured by Intel and AMD, the processor is responsible for running every application and the operating system. The Ryzen and Core series of CPUs have almost identical performance, with the former being better at multitasking while the latter are faster while it comes to single core tasks. The amount of RAM decides how smooth and lag-free your laptop will be. If you will use your laptop for listening music and light office work, then consider RAM up to 4GB. Or if you are buying laptop for coding and medium graphics editing, then consider RAM up to 8GB. Or if you are buying laptop for heavy video editing, gaming or animation work, then consider RAM up to 16GB. A dedicated graphics card makes the visual of any game you play or movie you watch much more detailed and clear. Choose the ideal graphics card according to your need and uses. If you are browsing the web and multimedia daily, then consider 512MB to 1GB graphics card. For gaming and image editing, buy minimum 1GB graphics card laptop. For advanced gaming experience and video editing, consider 2GB graphics card, and for professional gaming, animation and 3D rendering, consider 2GB and above graphics card. Next, The greater the storage capacity, the more content you can store on your laptop. There are two types of storage option, HDD and SSD. Look at the given chart to understand the differences between them. HDD stores data on magnetic disks, available with higher capacity, moderate at transferring data, more power consumption and cheaper per GB cost. While in SSD, stores data on memory chips, mostly available at capacities below 1 TB, faster at transferring data, less power consumption and expensive per GB cost. Here is pro tips. First, processor. Look for the latest series like Core i7 and generation as it gives better performance while consuming less power. Second, RAM. Look for the advanced DDR version for smoother performance. Third, storage. Consider SSDs if you work with large files and you need a laptop that boosts quickly. Fourth, graphics. Look for the latest generation of graphics processor as they ensure optimal gaming performance. Now, operating system. An operating system bridges the hardware and software of a computer. The better the OS version, the more seamless the user experience and interaction. Most laptops come with one or three operating systems, that is Windows, Chrome operating system or Mac operating system. Choosing the right one is a personal preference, but here's a quick summary that what each offers. Windows. Latest version is Windows 10. Easy to use, intuitive GUI, an ideal platform for work or study use. Most devices are Windows compatible. Mac operating system. Latest version is Mac OS 10.15. Catalina. Simplified user interface, ease of multitasking for robust users, less vulnerable to security lapses. Additional features like touchscreen, fast charging, ultra slim, bezel, backlit keyboard, USB Type-C port and fingerprint reader you can consider according to your need. Always buy a metallic body laptop which is long lasting. Also, laptop must support 6 to 8 hours battery backup. All these are essential points and you should keep in mind while buying a laptop. That's it.